of my decimal, what will you do?
Times by 10.
Alright, multiply by 10. Remember, this is 0. Multiply by 10.
The
This is going to give me 2x squared plus what? 45x
minus 28.
minus 28 equal to what? Right? I just get rid of my fraction, my decimal. It makes no difference, right? And I need to identify my A term. What is it? My B term. And I don't need to see, but I'm going to write it anyway. Alright? Then I'm going to use x-axis of symmetry minus b over 2a. That's what we request. And this is also h. Alright? According to where I use the x-axis of symmetry, minus b over 2a is the formula. That's my h of the vertex. The x-coordinate of the vertex is my h. When I find that, then I can go replace it in the equation to evaluate y. Then I already know what a is. I only need h and k, which is the vertex. I'm going to get them piece by piece. Right? So this is my guideline. So far so good.
Yes.
I will have x equal minus b. What is b? 45 over 2 times 2. And I will have x equal minus 45 over 4. That's my h. Do not change to decimal. That's what your assignment says.
What?
For those of you who are not reading, it says do not change to decimal. So therefore I'm going to keep it as that. H is negative 45 over 4. Right? That was x, right? X is h. If I know x, I know h, right? Now I'm going to find k. I'm going to take this value. This is my x. I'm going to replace it here. Square and multiply by 2. Multiply by what? 45 minus 25. Then that will be my y, which is my k. So far, so good? Then I'm going to evaluate that. The fraction are coming. And I will have y equal 2 times something squared. What that something squared is? Negative 45 over 4. This is a huge numbers. Bring the calculator, have them ready. Right? Plus 45 times negative 45 over 4 minus 28. Then guys, when the big gun, your calculator, you need it, you must have it. And I will have y equal order of operation. I'm going to square this first. At least I know it's going to be over 16. Because 4 squared is 16. What is 45 times 45?
That's a good question.
Calculator. Those of you who are using calculator. 20, 25
Best class.
over 16 times 2. I did my parentheses are squared, right?
Yeah.
This is 45 squared. This is 4 squared and times 2. Now I'm going to put this over 1. There you go. It's 45 times 45 again, but it's negative, right? That will be negative what? 20, 25 over 4 minus 28. Many of you skip them because they are fraction. Alright, I can say that 2 goes to 16 how many times? 8 times. Right? Now I'm going to put this over 1. For now on, I need to know which one is my common denominator. Then I move from there. What is your common denominator?
What? 4.
Hey!
What are you talking about?
What is the common denominator? 8. 8 for 1 is 8. Therefore, this means to multiply by what? By 2. Multiply by 2. This multiply by what? By 8. Multiply by 8. Then you will have a common denominator. Alright? You guys ready? You don't do anything to that. This remains as is, right? I need some space. I'm gonna erase the first part on top. So far so good?
Yes.
And we're gonna move there. Then I will have y equal, there's nothing you do here, it's 25 over 8, right? This will multiply this by 2, this will give you what? Negative 4,050 over 8. Everything we want everything over 8, people. Otherwise, you cannot add them or subtract them, right? You need to have a common denominator. Now, what is 28 times 8? 224 over 8. Now we have common denominator that we can add or subtract. Right? Those are the rules. Alright? Those are the same, they have the same sign. In other words, I will have y equal 2025, right? Over 8, and whatever this is, that we minus again. Take this and that, add them up. That will give you what? 4,274, right? 4,274. Then do your math, calculator again, calculator work. What do you get for that? It not take you that much time to find that. Y equal negative 2,249 over 8. This is my K. Right? Do we have anything in common? I doubt it. So you exercise that. This is K. And that was what? That was H. Now, I have those, and A is what? A is 2. Then I will say Y equal. Vertex form 2 is my A. X minus whatever this was. Minus is going to become what? Plus 45 over.
Wait, what?
Over 4 squared minus, you are supposed to write an equation in what? In vertex form. Right? And this is my equation in vertex form. So if you did using complete this you will have already in vertex form. Right? This is what the piecemeal, you have to get them piece by piece, then you put what? Everything together. That's it.